Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. E for egg. I for igloo. N for net. R for ring. C for zebra. B for ball. F for frog. M for man. V for van. Y for yacht. C for cat. G for glass. J for jam. O for onion. U for umbrella. X for xylophone. H for hat. K for kite. P for pen. W for watch. D for doll. Q for queen. L for lamb. S for star. T for train. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.